Today we will demonstrate how to clone an original car key using the BMW dedicated adapter. BDC2, BDC3, BCP, 𝐬𝐤 support direct use after cloning. The three adapters on the left require opening the key shell and clamping directly onto the key PCB for reading. The other adapter can read the key by clamping directly onto the key shell, without opening it. The supported devices are shown in the image. KeyTool Plus and Multiprog support both encrypted and non-encrypted keys. KeyTool MIDI, KeyTool Max Pro, KeyTool Max, Mini KeyTool, and 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐬 Prog only support non-encrypted keys. Now let's look at the detailed operation. This is 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐬 BMW dedicated remote. Before using the adapter, we first generate the remote. Click on Remote Program, select the corresponding option. Click on Generate. The generation is complete. Return to the main interface. Click on Remote Programming, find BMW. Click on Select from System. Select the 𝐠 chassis BDC03, BCP IMO system option. Then click Start Programming. Now, let's take one of the adapters as an example for the demonstration. This is the PCB of BMW U-type remote. The adapter we'll be using is this one. Click on Read Original Car Key Information. Follow the on-screen instructions. If needed, you can view the wiring diagram here. Now, let's begin the installation. You can see two holes on the PCB. Find the two positioning pins on the adapter. Align the positioning pins with the holes on the PCB. Press down and lock it in place. Installation is complete. Now, let's use the DB15 cable to connect the adapter to KeyTool Plus. Click on Read. Once completed, save the file. Click on OK. After removing the adapter, click on the Make Dealer Key option. Click on No. Place the 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐬 dedicated BMW remote into the coil. Click on OK. Start generating the key. Clone successful. This key can be used in the car directly, no programming required. The operation steps for the other three adapters are the same. Here, we will only demonstrate the installation process. Let's first take a look at these two adapters. The adapter on the left is used with the PCB of BMW square type remote. The adapter on the right is used with the PCB of BMW long bar shaped remote. The installation method is similar to the one demonstrated earlier. Simply align the positioning pins on the adapter with the holes on the PCB. The last adapter directly clamps the key shell. Align the MSD and MSCL pins on the adapter with the 2 points on the key PCB. Clamp it in place, and the installation is complete.